The school's annual Farm Day gives students the chance to learn from local and state ag leaders. Telfair Elementary School's event is the longest running Farm Day, co-sponsored by the Georgia Farm Bureau.
I get excited about it as the kids most of the time. I really do. It puts a smile on your face to see them have a good time. If they have a good time, I do.
Next week's On the Farm, we'll go in depth on this Telfair County tradition, so make sure to tune in for that next Friday night. One group is raising awareness of a disease that impacts so many, but so few really know about it. We'll tell you about their